I'm Shawn Harger.
And I'm Kari Harger. Welcome to 2850 Hearthstone Drive in Fort Collins, Colorado.
This home is a little slice of heaven with just under 6,500 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an office, and a 4-car garage. There's plenty of room for all of your toys.
This incredible ranch home is really like living in your own private park. Sitting on 2.3 acres and featuring a beautiful wraparound redwood deck, it truly is Colorado living.
Come check it out.
Upon entering this beautiful open floor plan, you will find high efficient windows and several patio doors, allowing for natural light in every room.
Enjoy entertaining in this German-inspired kitchen and keep cozy with the radiant floor heating throughout the entire home. You really can't deny all the outdoor features that this home provides. Within walking distance to the new twin silo parks, 3 schools, shopping, the hospital, it truly is a great experience. Your outdoor recreation opportunities are endless, with private lake access for swimming, boating, fishing, or just relaxing and enjoying all that nature has to offer. If you have questions about this property or would like a private showing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.